Greetings and welcome back to the Science Preparation Room. On screen is the free fall apparatus we have at Beacon Hills College. It is used to find a value for the acceleration of a free falling object due to gravity. It can record timings of a falling object adjustable up to 1 meter in height. And there are two balls of different size and mass. The upper platform has stop terminals connected to the timer so that when the ball is released it will fall to hit the lower plate, and the timer will stop exactly when the lower plate is struck. The apparatus is also connected at the back of the timer to the free fall release, so that as soon as the ball is released, timing begins so that we achieve an initial velocity of 0. It has a 6-digit display and can automatically load 20 values in memory and also give you the average of your readings. You've been informed that acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared, and we can use this apparatus to collect data and analyze it and achieve this value or get close to it by performing several runs. So read from the bottom of the ball. For the large ball, use the left hand scale, and we have a reading here at 50.0 centimeters, and take several readings. And we can average now the readings now. Now we can also adjust the height and repeat the runs and plot a graph. Use the small ball. So the bottom of the ball is in line with the right hand side scale, with this indentation, and it reads 55.0 centimeters. So again, take plenty of readings. And average. So for all this data collected, we can find a value for the acceleration due to gravity by using a formula. Gravity equals 2 times the distance over time squared, as the initial velocity will be 0. So hopefully we will find the acceleration due to gravity of a free-falling object is constant regardless of size or mass. So good luck, and your wonderful physics teachers can demonstrate and help you understand further. So thanks for watching.